Okay, this is a 188 Hurricane with a 150 Merc Optimax on here. I'm going to drop the trim down here, right down to the bottom, and we're going to see how long we can hang on. You ready? Put it in gear, and here we go. Climbing pretty fast. I got the throttle right down to the ground. I'm trimming it up. You get about 48 miles an hour. If I trim it up a little bit more, probably should be up to close to 50. 49 and a half, and there we are. That's the top speed that I can get on this boat for that app. One guy.